Happy New Year! Welcome to my vlog. I'm Julsztymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. I've literally just woken up. I'm going to be cooking the Christmas dinner, so that's what I'm going to do. Eventually. This looks so funny.
I like you. Everything, and everything gets not true.
Yeah, it would text me when you look at these pictures here and you're hungry. I said, boy, I wish me did eat more.
Hey, that's kind of that. That's true.
Grandma would be so impressed with my cooking. Remember one time I tried to make curry chicken out there. Hey, I think it's that, ma. I think you're not even cooking. Like I'm the one that's cooking.
I can try to eat that.
I should have put some sweet corn in the potato mash.
Oh God, my blood is not in there. I wouldn't enjoy it.
Hey, mommy hates sweet potato.
Really?
I mean sweet
I
corn.
just mix it with milk. I don't want to eat it.
Why?
I have too much rice in a rice one time. About 2,000, 2,300. I just know if I can get over it.
Next year, it'd be nice to drive around and give some homeless people some food, isn't it?
And it's only for containers. One meat and little rice.
But how will you keep it warm?
You have to carry that igloo.
The foil will keep it warm, innit?
There's something for fire carry in the igloo. And go on. What's up here? Really see homeless people on the street?
I saw a lot in Woodgreen.
Serious?
I saw a pregnant woman the other day and I had to, I gave her £1 and I went to WH Smith and bought her water, crisp and something else to eat.
Nice.
She was pregnant and homeless, it must be hard.
That is hard.
And I stopped giving people money like just like that because you know, but in her condition, come on, being pregnant and homeless in this
But the
Christmas
country
period.
don't provide them nothing if they're
What?
pregnant.
Sorry, somebody wants to go back and take money and go back to the shop.
One bag, go.
Oh God.
No, what's that?
Say the food damage up.
Damage up.
Yo!
That's good.
The rice and peas not touched too, the rice is not touched too much, but you need to know what. What's actually occurring? Chicken in the too. No bro, man.
I'm exactly here.
We eat healthy. So it smells so nice. It smells so nice.
It's the
Can I catch up the camera from the drinks, babes?
yeah.
We don't see what kind of job I got over here,
Move a bar.
No, you catch the camera from the juice.
Move. Of course.
I can cook, you know. Boy, baby must be happy you're married to me. Eh? Eh?
Yeah, baby.
That's empty, by the way. You don't sound too enthusiastic about that, to be honest.
Okay.
You should be like, yeah! This food is sweet. I'm a chef. I'm a chef. I can cook and clean. That's a bonus.
Yeah, but I can breathe now. Alright. What?
Yeah, babe, get some booze.
You're going to drink out the juice.
Devon, let me tell you the secret. When you eat enough food, you have to eat fast. You can't be going at your speed. Really?
I can feel sick. I can too fast.
But you see, I go at your speed, I get full.
Really?
So I gotta go fast.
That 1, 2, 3, 4.
I got the present. I got the.
It was the last year you get all net clip and something out of them.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
Oh God, I don't like when I get a phone foolishness. What do we wait till them come now? This one quickly this one shots.
Mommy, well, we waited long enough in here.
This was done.
Mommy, come on now.
I've got a New Year's now.
Alright, check out the one. Sorry, no.
You want this one, baby? Want this one?
Yes, your present.
My head looks big with it down. One, two, three.
Me too.
Nothing this time.
I get some.
Is just a hat they put in there? Sleazy
I like the
bastard.
hat this place.
Just one hat, you know, they're mini.
Where you get?
Guess what I am? Gingerbread man.
Not nine there?
Oh my
And
god.
then,
What do snowmen wear on their heads?
Yellow.
It's a cat, it's a stroke. What do snowmen wear on their heads?
in hot.
Ice caps.
Ice
Ada bilang kasi yun.
What do you? Ice caps. And what's this? I got a sticker.
What's the name?
Guess what I am? Stocking.
Wow. Is this a British thing?
You don't live in America?
Stop it.
We do not do that.
Look at one so
That's weird. You have to pop a popper.
We want to get something nice.
Welcome to the end of the video. Thank you so much if you have stayed tuned for the entire video. Big up your nice clean self. I would just like to say thank you so much for all the support through 2020. It has been amazing. I have finally hit 20. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say I finally hit 20,000 subscribers. In the name of Jesus, it shall happen. But thank you so much for allowing me to reach 4,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all the comments, the shares, the likes, and the subscriptions. It truly means a lot that you lot have actually stayed with me throughout the whole of the year. Even throughout my absence, my hiatuses, everything like that. You lot have still come back, still checked on me, still rocked with me, even on my social media platforms. And for that, I'm really grateful. I cannot even express how thankful I am as a creator. Like, having you guys really stick with me means a lot, and I know that you lot all have your own life living, so for you to even take out 5 minutes out of your day to watch my videos, I am so grateful. Honestly, it means a lot. Now for 2021, I would really appreciate it if all of us share the content, because obviously the family is already we are going with things, not true, but we want to extend the family. We want to extend the old Julsz, the new Julsz, the in-between Julsz, and obviously the good timers. You understand? So if you have family members that don't know about me, girl, what is you doing? Nah, boo. You need to make them know about me. Cause if you say I'm a subscriber, if you say I'm a good timers, my old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz, and you don't tell us all about me, then are you really part of this family? I mean, seriously, sis, get it together. Cause you know, so when me win, you win. You know, when I win, girl, you win too, boo. So you need to fix up your folly little grounds, and I need to do better. Yeah, baby girl, you need to do so much better. No, but seriously, thank you so much. Honestly, me know I said someone want to share my content, because I've met some of you. Oh my god, before this video does end, oh my god, thank you so much for everyone that has bought a product from me, like that has purchased a candle or a lip gloss. Honestly, for you to put food in my mouth, you don't know how much me appreciate that. For you to actually support my business, it's a massive thing, especially during a time like this when funds are not the best. You know, so all of that mean the world to me, and that's all I really have to say. Thank you so much. No, seriously, like, when I think about you guys, I do get teary-eyed. You lot have really brought me through some tough times. There are some of you guys that we do speak on a much more personal levels that, you know, I'm grateful for. Like, you lot have really been there for me, and I'm so thankful. So I think I'm gonna end this right here. I don't want to babble too long. To end this, my Julsz, because whether you're an old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz, or a good timers, you are a Julsz. Okay? So my Julsz, one more time, I want to wish you a big happy new year. Woo! Happy 21, baby!